Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if you don't see your section line. Now, if you look at this plan now, I can see one section line here, and if I go to the site, I can see I have two section line. I cannot see this particular one. Let me check if it's hidden. You can see I have two section here. If I go to my section, you can see I have two sections, but by the time I go to the ground floor plan, I can only see one section line. Where is the second one? Why can't I see it? And if I check whether maybe I've hidden it, I can see that it's not part of those things that have been hidden. It's not as if it's hidden. No section line is hidden. Can you see that there is no section line that is hidden? Okay, let me show you the simplest way to see that kind of thing, to see section if you are not seeing it on a particular floor plan. Something must have happened. Okay, let's see how to see it. What you are going to do is locate the view that you can see that section. For instance, this particular section that I'm not seeing here now, I can see it on the site. I can see it on the site here. So what I will do is select it, and when you select it, go to the property palette. Go to the property palette, and if you go to the property palette, locate this hide at scale. Locate this hide at scale. So you are going to increase this scale from 100. That means if the scale is above 100, this section will not be seen. Any plan that the scale is above 100, it will not be seen. That is what this means. So what we are going to do is increase this scale to 500 or 200. That means it is only a view that have a scale above 500 that this section will not be seen. That is what it means. Now, if I do that and I hit apply, if I go to my ground floor plan now, I should be able to see it now. Can you see? So that is how to locate any section line that you are not seeing in any of the view, any of the plan that you are not seeing. Make sure you check. For instance, if I want to check now at which scale this one is hidden. Okay, this one is not hidden. This one is 500, meaning any plan that is any view that is less than scale 1 to 500 will be seen. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.